Progress to me is collective growth across all ecosystems. Hi, I'm Nayantara Jain. I'm a scuba diver, a marine biologist, and a conservationist. I grew up around the water, so my love for the ocean began very early on. Discovering diving shaped my entire life and gave it purpose. When you're underwater, you're cocooned. Every moment, every movement becomes slower. You become aware of every breath you take. It's a deeply meditative experience. The year I started diving professionally, there was a massive coral bleaching incident in the Indian Ocean. Within the span of just a few weeks, I saw vibrant, colorful reefs turn into grayish, lifeless rubble. And that's when my journey of marine conservation really began. For the last 9 years, the primary focus of our organization has been restoration and rehabilitation of marine animals, raising awareness about the importance of the ocean, and working with government bodies in India to create change. If we do our part on a day-to-day basis, it will have a positive impact on ecosystems near and far from us. I read somewhere that we don't need 10% of the planet to be 100% sustainable. We need 100% of the planet to be at least 10% sustainable, where the progress of one equals the progress of all. My mission is working towards a future where the planet is a nurturing environment for all living beings. What's your story of progress?